Only those who are willing to handle shame ever becomes successful. So many people want to be successful. So many people want to be great, but they don't have what it takes to be great. Hear me. You see, failure, doubt, mockery, and shame, they are all part of the journey. So many successful people you admire today once failed. Those who didn't make it in life are those who protected their ego. Be bold enough to confront and want more than the environment think is normal. Remember, the fear of failure is weakness. Confront your fear. Chase your fear. Fight your fear. It is important you become successful. You have to be successful. I remain your girl, Adangalado. See you in my next video. Bye.